Welcome to Black Web King, where we bring you the latest trends and advancements in web development. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of voice search and chatbots. Let's explore. Voice search is revolutionizing how we find information online. It's convenient, efficient, and growing in popularity. Businesses are benefiting too, with increased visibility, improved user experience, and enhanced accessibility. Implementing voice search on your website involves integration with voice assistants, optimizing content, and ensuring compatibility. Now let's talk chatbots. They handle customer inquiries, provide instant responses, and offer 24/7 availability. Businesses love them for improved customer service and increased efficiency. There are two types of chatbots, rule-based and AI-powered. Rule-based chatbots have pre-programmed responses, while AI-powered chatbots use machine learning to understand and respond to users. Developing a chatbot involves gathering requirements, designing conversational flows, and implementing it using programming languages or chatbot platforms. To optimize voice search in chatbots, use natural language processing, continuously train and improve chatbot responses, and regularly update content. In conclusion, embrace voice search and chatbots for your web development projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more web development insights. Stay tuned for exciting content from Black Web King.